How to naturally improve your face. No surgery, no makeup. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel Glow Up Guide. In today's video, we're talking about how to naturally improve your face. No surgery, no fillers, no expensive treatments, just natural methods that actually work. These tips will help enhance your facial features, define your glow, and make you look effortlessly attractive. Let's get started. Number 1. Improve your facial symmetry with massage. Facial massages can help tone your muscles and improve blood circulation. Try gua sha, jade rolling, or even using your fingertips with a few drops of oil. Massage your face upward and outward every night. This reduces puffiness, sculpts your jawline, and gives you that lifted, youthful look. Number 2. Hydrate, inside and out. Hydration changes everything. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily and keep your skin hydrated with a good moisturizer and face mist. When your skin is hydrated, it naturally looks plumper, brighter, and more even-toned. No 3. Get enough beauty sleep. Lack of sleep equals dull skin, dark circles, and puffiness. Aim for 7 to 8 hours every night. Sleep on a silk pillowcase to avoid wrinkles and help your skin retain moisture. No 4. Master a simple skincare routine. Keep it consistent. Cleanse, tone, moisturize, and sunscreen daily. No need for 10-step routines. Consistency beats complexity. Number 5. Fix your posture and face habits. Believe it or not, your posture affects your face shape. If you slouch, it can make your jawline look weaker. Also, stop mouth breathing and practice nose breathing. It helps shape your face naturally and improves oxygen flow. No 6. Exercise and face yoga. Facial yoga can lift and tone your features naturally. Simple moves like cheek lifts, jawline toning, and eye muscle exercises help tighten and strengthen your face muscles. And that's how you can naturally improve your face without surgery, filters, or expensive treatments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more glow up and beauty tips, and let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first.